Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum for class. Student, welcome to your maths lesson. Open your maths book. Firstly, we'll discuss word of the day and message of the week. Word of the day is decide, means determine or choose. Word of the day is decide, means determine or choose. Okay, now use this word into sentences. Let him decide his favorite color. I decide to go home. I decided to go home. Okay, student, you learn this word and use this word into sentences. Make more and more sentences. Everybody, you must make sentence of this word. Message of the week is respect and serve your parents. Must respect your parents, because if you want that Allah make your Lord happy, if you want to make your Lord happy, then you must respect and serve your parents. Okay, this if we respect and serve our parents, we not only take the reward in this world as well as in hereafter. After this world, when we will be in front of Lord, if our parents will happy with us, then we get the success in that time. So must respect and serve your parents. Now look at the topic. As you know, capacity, topic of capacity is going on. Capacity is defined as the amount of liquid in a container, that how much a container can hold a liquid. So as you know, in the last previous lesson we have done exercise 10 and 11. Today we will do exercise 12. Okay, this is the subtraction and addition of unit of capacity. Addition and subtraction of unit of capacity. There is a point that is very much important. To add or subtract, student, listen carefully. To add or subtract different capacities, first convert them into the same unit of measurement, then add or subtract. Means if in a question some unit is liter, some milliliter, change into same unit, either in liter or in milliliter. It's up to you. If you want to take the answer in liters, then convert all the milliliters into liter. And if you want to get the answer in milliliter, because they have not give any condition that write the answer in milliliter or write the answer in liter, so you can change them into the same liter, same unit of capacity, and then subtract. Look at the first one as 15 liter 25 milliliter minus 350 milliliter. I have changed them into milliliters because both values have milliliter, so we will change this liter into milliliter. So for changing this, I have multiplied with 1000. We get 15,000 milliliters. After changing this unit of liter into milliliter, then add this 25 or 15,000. इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे, then we get the quantity in milliliter. ठीक है. Now this value has been changed into 15,025 milliliter. Now write it again, the question, that is 15,025 milliliter minus 350 milliliter. So इसको minus कर देंगे, we will get the answer in milliliter. Means when we have the same unit of capacity, then ही हम addition और subtraction कर सकते हैं. Okay student. Now listen the next one, that is 35 liter 654 milliliter plus 2 liter 40 ml. So look at this. Student, as you know, in the first task I have told you that how you can change them into milliliter and getting the answer in milliliter. In this question I have told you that how if you want to change in liters, so change milliliters into liter as well. इस टास्क में आप देखें कि फर्स्ट जो वैल्यू है दैट इज़ 35 लीटर और 654 ml को भी आप चेंज कर दें इनटू लीटर. लाइक डिवाइड करें इसे 1000 से और इसमें ऐड कर दें 0.0 654 लीटर। इन दोनों को जब हम ऐड करेंगे तो हमारी ये जो फर्स्ट वैल्यू है इट विल बी कम इनटू लीटर्स. Okay, and in the second value as you see 2 liter 40 ml, again change this 40 ml into liter. How? Divide this with the 1000, 0.040 liter. इन दोनों को जब हम ऐड कर देंगे then this value will become 2.040 liter. So now our both values are in the same unit, that is liter. Again now you can add them by this form 4, 9, 6 point here and 7 and 3. So 37.694 liter is the answer. Okay student, and now 3 part, as you see 520 milliliter minus 120 ml. So this task is already given in the same unit. So you just simply write them on horizontal vertical way, and you can subtract them and you will get in the same unit. Okay, 400 ml is the answer. Hope you understand this exercise. I have told you that how if you want to change into milliliters, so जहाँ पर आपका क्वेश्चन में लीटर है उसको भी आप कन्वर्ट कर दें मिलीलीटर्स में, और जब आपका यूनिट सेम आ जाएंगे देन आप उसको एडिशन या सब्ट्रैक्शन करें. और इफ़ यू वांट टू चेंज इनटू लीटर्स तो आप जो ml के यूनिट्स हैं उनको डिवाइड कर दें 1000 से और उसको चेंज कर लें लीटर में, और लीटर वाली वैल्यू के साथ उसको ऐड कर दें, देन आप उसकी एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन करें. सो स्टूडेंट योर टास्क इज यू हैव टू डू एक्सरसाइज 12 फ्रॉम A to G. 3 part I have done for you. Next 4 parts is for you. You have to do it. Okay.